Hello, I am Irunga. In this part, we will talk about what causes climate change. Understanding the causes is important because it helps know how our action affect the planet and what we can do to reduce the problem. Have you ever wondered why the earth is getting hotter? Why storms, floods, and droughts seem to happen more often? The answer lies in the causes of climate change, some natural but mostly caused by humans. Let's start with natural causes. The Earth's climate can change naturally over time due to volcanoes, for large eruption release gases and ash into the atmosphere, which can trap heat or block sunlight for a while. Sun activity. The sun's energy is not always constant. When it is stronger, the earth can get warmer. When it is weaker, cool. Earth's orbit. The way the earth moves around the sun changes slightly over thousands of years, affecting climate patterns. But natural causes alone cannot explain the rapid changes we see today. The main causes of climate change today are human activities. Here are the most important ones: burning fossil fuels, coal, oil, and gas are used for energy, electricity, and transport. Burning them releases carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases that trap heat in the atmosphere. Deforestation. Cutting down trees reduces the Earth's ability to absorb carbon dioxide. Fewer trees mean more carbon stays in the air. Agriculture and livestock. Raising animals like cows produces methane and powerful greenhouse gas. Certain farming practices also release nitrous oxide. Industrial activities. Factories and industries release gases and chemicals that contribute to warming. Think of the earth like a greenhouse. Normally, it stays warm enough for life because gases trap some heat, but human activities are adding extra layers to this blanket, making the earth hotter than it should be. These causes lead to many problems: melting ice, rising seas, stronger storms, and changing weather. Later, we will explore how these changes affect ecosystems, humans, and vulnerable communities. So now, we understand what makes the earth warmer, both natural processes and human activities. Uh, Next, we will look at the impacts of climate change on the ecosystems, the plants and animals that make our planet alive and beautiful. Another important point is not all greenhouse gases from the same place, and their impacts are different. For example, carbon dioxide stays in atmosphere for hundreds of years, so every bit we add keeps warming the planet long enough that it's released. Methane, which comes from farming, landfills, and gas leaks, does not last as long but traps much more heat. Why? It is here. Industrial gases used in refrigerators and air conditioners are even stronger. Some are thousands of times more powerful than carbon dioxide. When you add these together, the result is a steady rise in the amount of heat-trapping gases in our atmosphere. This is why scientists say climate change is mainly human-made, because these gases do not appear by accident. They are a direct result of our energy use, the way we grow food, the product we buy, and how we manage our land.